Well, guys, the B25 is finally finished. Drink to that. This is tea, by the way. I don't drink anything harder than Diet Coke. It's finished 2.5 weeks of hard work. Had some ups and downs, but overall, I am pleased with the result. Obviously, I spoke about the landing gear issue. I've corrected that for the next one. But I do like the look of it on the stand. I think if I had to do all over again, I just would have went with the stand on this one anyway. I really like how the base turned out, and the plane. I think I got the weathering just right, at least for my taste. So let's have a look at it. All right, here it is, the finished B25 Mitchell. The wings aren't glued on, they snap into place and they can be removed. I think I've decided I'm probably going to put this on eBay, and I've checked and I've got a box big enough to ship it. I'll basically just remove the wings and pack those in there, and everything should fit. I'm really happy with all the weathering, how it turned out. I mean, there's a lot more I could have done, but to be honest with you, you could go on forever doing all these little different things, and I'm happy with the way it looks. It came out just as I had pictured it in my head. The natural metal finish underneath with the chipping, I think, turned out better than I thought it would. I probably could have got away with just spraying natural metal finish in the areas that I was going to chip instead of on the whole plane, but I wasn't exactly sure where I wanted to chip and how much I wanted to do. So I think I was probably right on the edge of going overboard, but again, I wanted this to be a worn and dirty warplane. The stand that I got, you can turn it. And we tilt it. The stand just goes up inside of the plane there, and there's really nothing catching it. It's just a big rod, and it'll catch on the top, and you can adjust it, turn it to where you want. But that's it. No need to glue the propellers. They just fit on there. They don't need any glue. The guns were kind of a pain to get in. I had fitted them so I can stick them in the holes and get into and actually insert them into the gun. The front gun isn't aligned real well, but that one's meant to move anyway, and the real thing. So that's not an issue. The masking the canopies wasn't difficult. There's a lot of area obviously to mask, but it wasn't difficult, just time consuming. Over here on this panel here, I had to cut a lot of little pieces to get that masked up. And you can see inside the canopy real well. So the next one I do, I might scratch build some stuff. The rest of the interior you basically can't see. I mean, you can kind of see down in the rear gunner's position, but not much. And you can't really see down into where the top turret is. That's all blocked off. So all the detail work on painting the turret gunner's position is kind of for naught. Now the gun bay, or the bomb bay, you can basically only see 2 of the bombs. I ended up painting them all and putting them in there, but the I'll probably wait and glue that. These aren't glued on. I just kind of tacked them in place with super glue. I'm gonna sell this on eBay, so I'll probably let the new owner glue those on, because I fear they'll get broken. The engines, a lot of detail in there. You can't see most of it again, but it's there. So that's it. Great plane. You know, it's an iconic airplane of World War II, and I believe it's the only B25 you can get in 1/32 scale. So I mean, it is a pretty good sized plane. You don't see too many of these out there. And the base, I think the base turned out pretty good. Everything for me is a learning experience, so next time will be better. But for my first base like this, I mean, I've tried to paint rivets before, but I did the little indention on the around the rivets. I probably could have got them in a little bit closer, but overall, I'm pretty pleased with the end product.